What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Wiggins Hair, y'all. I received a pre-styled 24-inch curly wig, y'all. First things first, this wig is eating. Like I said, I don't know who they have in the back styling these wigs, but they need to keep them on a team. They should have been on the team. Like, these hair companies is really stepping it up crazy. They colors be on point, they styling be on point, the plucking be on point, the bleaching be on point. Literally everything about these beginner friendly wigs be on point, and they are highly beginner friendly. All I did was apply some glue to my hair. If you want, you could also go the glueless route, but I just had to glue this wig down because y'all already knew this wig was gonna eat. And it is, y'all. Oh my god. These curls are fire. I didn't even wet them. All I did was put mousse on it, and y'all, the hair is eating. Like I said, this is 24 inches, y'all. 24 inches. It feels longer, but y'all, this wig is fire. Like I said, this is Wiggins Hair. Eating, baby. They lace is so thin. This wig is melted. It's literally growing up my scalp. Like, this is my hair. Like, shout out to Wiggins Hair. Y'all are stepping the game up. And like I said, this wig is beginner friendly. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and pre-cut. So you literally don't have to do nothing but put the wig on your head and style it to your liking. I will highly recommend pre-styled, pre-everything wigs, because it's just the easiest way to go in life. Literally the easiest way to go. But the same exact wig is going to be down below. Like I said, this is Wiggins Hair. I received 24 inches curly. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.